Hello, in this video tutorial I'll be showing you on how to install the CloudX IDE, the programming environment version 7.0. First thing, you need to download the necessary software. So you go to your browser and search for cloudx.ng. Okay, then you click on downloads. Okay, then you scroll down. So to start programming your CloudX microcontroller board, you need 3 software, and the first one is the CloudX IDE, which is the IDE for the programming platform. You need the CloudX library and the CloudX soft card driver. This allows you to be able to load your code into the CloudX board physically. Okay, you click on it and you start the necessary download. So you ensure you download the 3 files. So you download the latest version. Okay, I already have it downloaded on my laptop, on my computer, so I won't bother to download all the 3 files anymore. So once you're done downloading the software and necessary files, you create a folder like I've created on my desktop. I call the folder CloudX setup. So you extract the files into this folder. So you have something like this on my computer. So your CloudX library version can be different. My own version is 3.01, but you can still have a later version of your CloudX library. Then your software, this setup, and the soft card driver. So first of all, you will need to install the setup. So you double click on this. Okay, so you wait for it to prompt. Okay, so you click next, install. So you wait for a little while. We see this, and you wait for it to install. It doesn't take time. So you wait for it to install. Okay, so when you see this, now we have finished installing our IDE. So you click on finish. Okay, there's something I need to tell you. Once it will launch, so once you're opening the CloudX IDE for the first time, the IDE will request you to download the compiler, which is inbuilt already. So this only happens for the first time. So we wait patiently for the compiler to come up. Okay, so you still okay, so you click next, accept. I accept the agreement. Next, then next. Okay, this particular directory is where you need to work on. So you click on the icon here. Okay, so you go to users on your computer. You go to users on your computer, then you go to your public under user. You go to CloudX, then you click compiler under CloudX, and you click OK. Then you click next. So okay, another next. So we wait for it until it finish installing, so that we can move to the next. This may take a little while, maybe about 2 to 3 or 5 minutes. So this is all it takes to complete our installation. So we'll just wait till installation process is complete. Installation process is completed. The next thing to do is to click on next, then click finish. Okay, so our CloudX IDE is still opened, so you can decide to restart the IDE, or you can still go on like this. Okay, the next thing to do before any other thing is to include our library. We need to import our library. So you click on library and here, then you click on import library. So you go to the directory where your copied the 3 file, where you extracted the 3 files. Okay, where you extracted the 3 files. So you click on, okay, I saved mine in CloudX setup on desktop, so I double click on it, and okay, the CloudX library version 3.01. so you select the CloudX folder inside the folder, and you click on OK. So to know if you successfully installed the if you successfully installed or imported the library, you click on library, then you click on include once again, so you'll be able to see your libraries over here. So to create a new project, you have to click on new. Okay, so this is the work environment, this is the workspace we'll be working with, and these are the devices that are currently available on this